Hi guys, a very good afternoon. My name is Devendra Daibavkar and I am at Tondavli. This is where my mother comes from. I had been to my uncle's place, my maternal uncle's place. They welcomed us with so much warmth. We had a good lunch. Wagheshwar. There's an interesting fact about this temple. So, people in this village they worship tigers, and that's where the name Wagheshwar comes from. Maybe it's not so frequent, but you'll find tigers in this area. Let me just turn my camera and show you. If you look in the background, small cave. Okay, there's a den sort of a thing. Okay, that's where sometimes tigers were spotted. I mean, when I was a kid, my mother used to always tell me about tigers being spotted and how they worship them. And also, tigers in this village have never harmed anyone. That is a fact. In fact, just few days back during COVID, there was a tiger spotted on the roof of one of the houses, and there was lots of crowd which had gathered to see it. Okay, people when they came to know about this news, a lot of people had gathered to see this wonderful spectacle. The name in Marathi reads Wagheshwar Guha, which means the den of the tiger or the cave of the tiger. And there are some steps one can take to reach up the top. On top. When you have a dialogue with the locals, they would tell you this cave was carved out of a single rock, and there also used to be a sage or a sadhu who performed his penance here. Now that is interesting. Just few days back there was a leopard spotted. The video is already on YouTube, which has gone viral, and it was captured to perfection on drone by another YouTuber. I'll share the name of the video and leave the link in the description for you to witness it yourself. Nature has showered its blessing with both hands on its best kept secret, Tondavli, which is just 20 kilometers from Malvan. With Gad River on the one side and Arabian Sea on the other, it is nothing less than a paradise. What adds to its crest is the forest right behind this famous Wagheshwar temple. If one has to reach the interiors of this beautiful village by road, it is best to pause here for a minute and seek blessings of the local deity, Dev Wagheshwar. Locals believe, and they firmly believe, it brings good luck and prosperity. Meanwhile, enjoy the scenic dwindling roads to my uncle's house. I can bet you'll not take your eyes off even for a minute. It's a good blend of the rural with a tinge of modern side to it, traditional with a touch of technology to it, but it's evident the contemporary overshadows the urban side and yet celebrates its triumph with grace. Believe me, these roads have not changed a lot. The red soil, the coconut trees, the rice fields, the chirping of the birds and the rustic feel to it. It has all remained the same, and I'm confident you'll not have a dull moment here. They say the grass is greener on the other side, and that is precisely why we are here. We did a backwater tour a couple of days back, and while we were doing the tour, we could see Tondavli remotely or from far.
Now let me take you on foot to the banks of the Gad River and to show you how it looks from this side. I've made another video on the backwaters, what all points you can see and the options you can have. I will also leave the link in the description and an icon so that you can click and enjoy that video. Do watch them.
I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, do hit the like button, share this video, subscribe, and please pay a visit to this place if you are in Tondavli, Tarashil. That's all for now. Have a nice